Morning Stampers, happy Monday if you're watching live or you're watching later today. I've started taking these little holiday helper Loven Stamp Studio Tours videos and putting them on YouTube as reposts. So if you're watching later on YouTube, hi there also. But this morning it is Monday, and so we're gonna do a really quick and simple treat that would brighten anyone's day. And you could do them as porch drop-offs, you could leave them out for delivery drivers might be coming by your house. You can drop them off as treats if you have appointments or things that you have to do today. So, hi Teresa. Basically, we're gonna layer some punches to come up with a really cute treat idea. And I don't know about you guys, is anyone else a fan of these kinds of things? We won't talk about how long I've had or how short I've had this can of these little peppermints. They're those little kind of melt in your mouth ones. And I need to package these up and get them to people because otherwise this is gonna disappear and it will be me who's eaten them all. So we're gonna go ahead and take those and some clear envelopes and mix and match and get some cute project stuff together. So one of the things that, as I'm getting set up, one of the things that I was thinking about this morning, tomorrow is the Stampin' Up! Sale for the Thanksgiving week sales. And so one of the things that you need to know about that is it is annual catalog products, which includes all of these kinds of regular punches, much of the ink pads and so forth. There are a handful of exclusions, but everything else is 10% off. And so this is a really great time to kind of stock up on some of those like basic kinds of things that you always want, but you never really get around to ordering. Things like circle punches in the sizes that you don't have, or the banner punches. They're just a handful of things. And I'll post some tips on the page here in the next day or two about like how to figure out exactly what's on sale. There are a handful of exclusions and I've already posted those, so you can look for those. Don't forget to add the hostess code, the Loven Stamps hostess code, so you know you're shopping with me and you get the perks and so forth that you get from shopping with me. But you guys ready to make some maker tags? So we have here a package of those little treats, and I just put them inside a clear envelope. These are going to be on sale tomorrow, but they're really great value all the time. And I highly recommend them for treat packaging. So all you have to do is put some stuff in there, go ahead and peel the backing off, fold it over, and you have like a really classy looking cello container. Hey, Melinda. So you could turn all the candies over so they face front. That's not a bad idea. But we're gonna go ahead and use some of these pieces here. So I have the 'Tis the Season designer series paper, and I'm gonna go ahead and punch myself a 2-inch circle punch. I find a lot of times when I'm making little layered tags like this, that circle punch is a great base for us. And then I'm gonna use another piece of the 'Tis the Season designer series paper. I think I'm gonna cut it pretty short, 3/4 of an inch, because that works well with our pick a label punch. I'm gonna slide this in here and I'm gonna punch both ends and then I'll just cut it in half. So I'll slide this in. All right. And now I could just fold it in half, but then I'm gonna end up with one each of the two patterns. And I really want our patterns to be the same. So if you need a new pair of paper snips, this is a great time to get those. All right. And then I'm gonna pop this underneath here, sort of like a little medallion. And I can go ahead and just pop. Maybe I'll go crazy and use 2 Stampin' Dimensionals. They're right over the intersection between those 2 pieces of paper, so that makes it a pretty quick fix to just pop that circle on there. Okay, now we need to stamp, and the stamps I'm using are the gift wrap stamps. They have these cute bows that coordinate with the bow builder punch, which has a little tag, the little centerpiece for the bow. This little thing is the little centerpiece. So if you're making cardstock bows, you could go ahead and layer that on top of the middle. This little tag is perfect size to go with this, but we're going to go ahead and stamp in real red to match our paper, our designer series paper. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and punch that. So let's get that lined up. Oh, I'm a right-hand puncher, but this will work too. All right. And there we have our bow. Now we need a little greeting to go with this. We're gonna leave it as a porch drop off or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp in Shaded Spruce. So be sure to check over the colors for this are the colors from our Loven Stamps Color Challenge for this week over on the Loven Stamps Create and Connect page or group. So we'll announce those over there today. So Shaded Spruce and Real Red. All right, so I've got another little banner punch because we've got this here. Why not just kind of echo that? And then I'm going to place this pretty close to the bottom. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Seal Plus. The adhesives are not on tomorrow's sale, but lots of other things are, so still lots of good things to get. And then I'm gonna pop this up here, and so we'll add a Stampin' Dimensional right there, which hopefully, there we go, yeah, it didn't overlap the edge. Okay, so there we have a really sweet, really quick, really cute layered tag. And then my favorite way to attach these is just to pop a dimensional on the back and stick them on. Okay, so there is our sweet and simple gift for Monday morning. So if you have, like me, a basket of too much candy that you don't want to consume yourself, grab your solo bags and work on packaging those up in a cute little way so that you can share some of that bounty with someone else and make everybody else happy too. So remember, if you have not seen on the page, Tuesday, November 24th is the Stampin' Up! Thanksgiving week stock up sale, 10% merry and bright on everything in the annual catalog with a handful of exclusions. You can check for those here. So, aw, thanks, Julie. I know, yeah, Julie told me last week that I was gonna love the bow when it came, and I do. You were right. I'm not surprised at all. It's just really sweet and easy to add to things. And there's some great greetings in this set too. Wrapped especially for you, tied with love, celebrate in style. Just really, it's a good set. So this one won't be on the special tomorrow because it's from the holiday catalog, but it is still bundled at 10% off, which reminds me to tell you that for my picks tomorrow for the Merry and Bright 10% sale, the bundles from the annual catalog are on sale also. So not only are they regular 10% off, but an additional 10% off with the sale. So that's gonna be a really great time to shop. All right, anyway, I think that covers us for Monday morning. Be sure to check over on the Create page, Connect and Create, Loven Stamps Connect and Create. And I've been approving people's membership requests as quickly as I can. We have a good number of people over there already. So if you haven't, click over and join the fun there and watch for the winners of our Elfitizer name drawing. I have my little Elfitizer. Okay, anyway, I'm not gonna give any more of that away. I'm just gonna sign off for now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another Holiday Helper. Happy stamping, happy Monday.